Hamilton path for a graph G, where graph G is with vertices and edges. This Hamiltonian path visits each vertex exactly once. So no repeat in vertices. So when it goes for a path, there is no repeating vertices. Now when you consider this graph, Hamiltonian path is, when I come for considering Hamilton path, it is A, B, C, D. Each vertex is visited only once. So the path is A, B, C, D. Hamiltonian circuit. For any graph G is with vertices and edges, Hamiltonian circuit visits every vertex exactly once and begins and ends at the same vertex. So it visits every vertex exactly once, so no repeat is possible. Now it begins and ends at the same vertex. That is what is Hamiltonian circuit. Can have more than one Hamiltonian circuit for a graph. Now these are the graphs for which we are going to find the Hamiltonian path and Hamiltonian circuit. Now I am going to find the Hamiltonian path for this. I move from B to C. I cover this vertex. Then I come to E. Then I come to F. Then I go for D. Then I come for G. Then I go for E. So now my Hamiltonian path is B, C, E, F, D, G, A. So this is my Hamiltonian path. If suppose I need Hamiltonian circuit, now I should extend this A to this B so that my Hamiltonian circuit is B, C, E, F, D, G, A, B. So this is my Hamiltonian circuit. Okay. Now, if you have a circuit, when you remove an edge from the circuit, you will get the path. So when you have the circuit, when you remove an edge from that particular circuit, you can get the path of the particular graph. Now, when we go for the next graph to find the Hamiltonian path and Hamiltonian circuit. Now, we have to visit each and every vertex once. So I am going to find the Hamiltonian path. I start from here. A, B, C, D, E. So I have visited all the vertices once. A, B, C, D, E. But now Hamiltonian circuit from E, I will not be able to move to A. So let me check out if any others is possible. No. So no Hamiltonian circuit exists here. No Hamiltonian circuit exists here. Now when you come for this, I have the graph as A, B, C, D, E, F. Let me check out if I have any Hamiltonian path and Hamiltonian circuit. So when I start from A, I come to C, I come to D, then F, then E. I should not move to C because I have already covered C. So I will not be able to reach this B. So I have no Hamiltonian path. If there is no path, there is no circuit also. So for this type of graphs, when you come across this pendant type of graphs, it is not possible to have both Hamiltonian path and Hamiltonian circuits.